Hello friends, hello Pucharo kids, this is teacher Ched again. So today we're going to talk about nature. Can you say nature? Yes, you're right, nature. So what is nature? What do you think? What is nature? So I'm going to show you now that I'm outside. I'm in nature. Look. A lot of colors in nature. So nature is art. Can you say nature is art? Or art is nature? Yes, you're right. Art is nature. What colors did you see in nature? Let's try this. Okay, let's check this one. Did you see this? Flowers, nature. What color did you see in nature? I see purple. Yes, you're right, purple. I see brown. I see light brown. I see green. I see it looks like purple or red. A lot of colors in nature. Let's check over here. There's a dark green here. And let's check on the other side again. Oh, I see white. Did you see white right there? Yes, friends. Nature is art. Art is nature. Let's check over here. Let's try to find some bugs. Oh, no. I see red in nature. See? It's so beautiful. Let's check over here. Looks like there's a spider over there. Okay, friends. Enjoy. Bye.